Thanks for joining us today. We have a 10-minute leg workout for you. It's quite the burner. Here at Bennett Fitness, we provide workouts, 10-minute workouts, 30-minute workouts. We also provide nutritional and exercise tips for you. Corey's been a trainer for 5 years. She's also a certified chef. I've been a trainer for almost 20 years and I'm the owner of Bennett Fitness. So we're always excited to share our passion with you. So follow along. This workout is all about doing what you can. We're excited to share it with you. Let's jump right into it.
Welcome everybody to our 10-minute leg workout. No warm-up. We're gonna do 4 exercises, 4 times through, 30 seconds each exercise with a 10-second rest. We're gonna start with squats to a side tap. Tap your leg out to the side to a stand. You stay low in that squat as you tap. We're really working on more time under tension in this squat. Exercise 1. Number 2, we're gonna do narrow to wide squat jump. So squat to a jump, narrow to wide. Really working out those legs, getting that heart rate up. Exercise 3, we're gonna do forward, backward lunges. You're gonna lunge forward with the left, backwards with the left, switch, forward with the right, backwards with the right. Final exercise, split squat jumps. We're gonna do 15 seconds each exercise. Drop that body down, that knee comes to the ground. This knee is over your second, third toes, and you jump 15 seconds, then we'll switch 15 seconds, 4 times through.
It's gonna go by quick.
Let's do it. All right, you guys, get ready. Get set, get into that squat position. Squat, tap right, and stand. When you squat, sit into that heel. Make sure those knees aren't deviating. You wanna stay still in those hips, up and down. It's only 30 seconds. Good, let's go.
Let's burn out those legs today.
Sit into those heels, show me your shirt. We're working, 10 more seconds.
Today, if you need to take rest, but do what you can. Come back, retake this class another time and challenge yourself.
All right, get ready. We're squat jumping narrow to wide. Start with those feet narrow, sit into your squat. Get ready, get set, and squat and jump. Narrow to wide. Sit into those heels. It's 30 seconds. Find your rhythm with your arms, and it kind of helps. Shoulders down your back. Give me good posture. I don't want to see people rounding over like so. Let's go, 13 seconds. Woo, this is gonna burn today. Let's go, you have 8. Push, push, it's only 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes in your day to put down that phone. All right, okay, forward, backward lunge. Let's all do a right leg moving first. Right leg is moving. Lead with the right. Forward to your lunge. Press backwards to your lunge. Switch to your left leg. Forwards, backwards, switch. When you lunge, make sure your weight is in the leg that is in the front. Try not to push off the back leg. It's the moving leg that's doing the work. 10 more seconds. Let's go. Push, you can do it. For 5, come on, don't give up. And 2, 1, good. All right, let's all put our right leg forward, right leg forward. We're gonna stay static in this position, legs, but we're jumping up and down. Get ready, 15 seconds, and go. Down and up, get that knee close to the ground. You may feel a little wobbly. If this is a little too much for you, you're welcome to just go down and up, stay static without adding the explosive movement. All right, switch, come on, switch it out real fast. Go, go, go. 10 seconds, this is gonna burn.
Burn.
This is only round 1. Put your weight in your front heel. 2, 1. Woo. Woo. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, you've done 1 round where you have 3 more to go. If you want to pick up some weights or your child, make it heavier, you're welcome to squat and tap. And stand, squat and tap. Let's go. I'm gonna pick up 1 10-pound dumbbell. Not ready to do 2 right yet. Good, squat and tap. When you're doing this, just push as best you can. If you're not challenged enough, you're not working hard enough, meaning you should pick up some weight. You should make good time under tension, focus on your form. Good, set that weight down. We're doing our jumps. So low impact to high impact, alternating for our 4 rounds. Narrow squat first, squat, jump. Good. Whew. Breathe, breathe. 10 minutes will go quick, and you've got it done today. We forget how we can plan in only 10 minutes of work. All you have to do is set down that phone, jump on up and watch us, join along. We're doing it with you. We make time in our day to do this for you. Guys, it's good. 3, 2, 1. There we go, forward, backward lunges. I'm gonna grab hold of 2 dumbbells this time for my lunges. Pick something up if you can. Brad's gonna keep showing body weight for us.
I think
Forward.
that's all I can handle.
Backwards, switch. Focus on your form with these lunges. This is not supposed to be a fast movement because we pick it up in the next 30 seconds. Good form. Load up that front bum. Good. Your heel drives, and your other heel drives. Good. Let's go. 8 seconds. Give me 2 more lunges. So 1, come on, and 2. Awesome. You're welcome to hold your weight for your jumps if you want. I'm gonna stick to no weight, but I may pick it up the next time. Get ready, right foot forward, jump it. Drop it down. It's only 15 seconds each leg. It's no problem. You can do it for 5 more seconds and we're switching. The leg gets its break. 2, 1, switch right away. Come on, jump right into it. The rest happens in 12 seconds. Well, we like to say rest, it's more transition. Come on, we can do it 8 seconds. This is not easy. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Squat, squats. I'm gonna hold 2 this time. Squat to wide, or squat to tap. Tap wide. Stand, sit low in that squat. Back up, stay stable in those hips when you tap. You shift your weight to that planted leg. So we're kind of holding in my left leg and holding in my left, right. Back and forth. 12 seconds. Good. 8. Woo. 5. We're jumping. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yeah. No matter where you are, even if you have kids, it's 10 minutes. They can watch you.
If they're taking a nap or just
Let's
hanging.
go. Narrow, wide. We have a lot of different priorities. Make this one of them. Your health is super important. Keeps you going, gives you energy. Whew. Mentally, it's awesome too.
Mentally, yes.
Come on, 10 more seconds. 5. Keep jumping. 2, sit low. All right, lunges. Oh, second half of 3rd round, we're almost done. Can you believe it?
Goes by quick.
Yeah, it does. So fast, and go. Forward to backwards, switch legs. Load up that leg. Good. Stay focused. You can do it, push, push. Focus on the movement. Focus on the pattern. You're engaging your glutes in every lunge. Try not to put all your weight in your toes. Drive through that heel, protecting those knees. 2, last one. Finish it out. Good. All right, we have our split jumps. Right leg forward.
These are tough.
So these are tough. And go, 15 seconds. Good. Big chest, don't round those shoulders. Load up that front leg. Back leg just helps you about 25-30% of the work. Last one, switch. Come on, 15 seconds. 10, 8, keep going. You can do this. We're working alongside of you. Keep pushing yourself. 2, 1. Last round. One more, one more. Last round is the best round. Squat. Get ready. Squat and tap. And stand. Sit low in that squat. Shift your weight over into that planted foot. So we're holding in that position. Try not to put much weight in that tapped leg. Up. Let's go. 13 seconds. Almost there. Sit, sit. This is your last time doing this movement. You should be so happy. That's why it's the best round, because you're finishing up. All right. Let's jump it.
Last round of these jumps.
Best round. Get ready. Narrow to wide. Narrow. Wide. Good. Find your rhythm. Dig down super deep. By now you should be fatigued. If you're not breathing heavy, if you're not tired, that's your fault. You're not working hard enough. Let's go. You can always challenge yourself. You can always modify each variation, but you want to work hard for 10 minutes. All right, yes, forward backward lunges. We only have a minute left of work and you're done today. Get ready, right leg first. Right leg moves, moves, switch it. Focus on firm planting of that front foot as you switch. Keeps you stable, keeps you strong. Forward, backwards, let's go. Almost done. If you believe it, you only have 40 seconds left of work today. 10 minutes flies by. 5 seconds. Let's do it. 2, 1. Yes. Last exercise means it's the best exercise, because you're done after this. We're done, we're done. Come on, right leg forward, let's go. Hop it. Stay focused mentally. Sit, explode, sit, explode. Come on, give me a few more. Give me 2 more.
Ooh.
All right, switch. Last 15 seconds.
Let's do it.
10 seconds. Come on, sit low, get that knee close to the ground, and jump. 5, you got it, Brad, 3 more seconds, and 1. Woo!
Woo, good job.
That was only 10 minutes, but boy, we worked it.
Yes, good job.
Good work. Your 10 minutes today is done. It was only 10 minutes, but it was well worth it. I know you can carve out 10 minutes in your day to get a workout in. Thanks for joining us. Please like our channel, subscribe to our channel, check out our other workouts. We always have lots of variations going on. They're fun. We work hard. Our baby works hard alongside of us sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so leave feedback as well. We love to hear from you. And we look forward to working out with you next time.
See you next time.